Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your next paycheck might never arrive. Rent's due. Bills are stacking up. The number in your bank app feels like a countdown timer. That panic you feel right now, that cold, sinking wave in your stomach, it's real. Because in moments like this, it doesn't take a government shutdown or a global disaster to make you feel like the floor just disappeared beneath you. It could be a layoff, a medical emergency, a company collapse, or inflation eating every dollar you make. Now, take a breath, because there's a new weapon that never existed before. And if you learn to use it, it can help you take back control faster than anyone in history. That weapon is artificial intelligence. And in this video, I'm showing you 4 powerful ways to use AI to protect your finances, survive any crisis, and build a safety net that works even when everything else falls apart. No coding, no tech background, just real free tools that can literally save you. Let's start with the first rule of financial survival. Get control before the chaos controls you. You just lost your main source of income. Step 1. Triage your money like a surgeon in an emergency room. AI can help you do that instantly. Apps like Monarch Money, Pocket Guard, or Mint connect to your accounts and analyze every transaction in minutes. You don't have to stare at spreadsheets or guess where your money's going. The AI breaks it down automatically. It tells you, here's your rent, here's your waste, here's how long you can survive. That one number, days until empty, is your compass. Once you know it, you can make real decisions instead of emotional ones. Now, if you really want to see AI flex, try this. Open any AI chatbot, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you have, and give it this prompt. Act as my personal financial counselor. Here are my monthly expenses. Paste your list. Find the top 3 non-essentials I can cut immediately, and create a bare-bones budget that only covers housing, utilities, and food. In seconds, you'll get a custom plan written with zero panic. The machine doesn't care about guilt or fear. It just gives you math. And math is power. Want to go further? AI tools like Rocket Money will literally hunt down subscriptions you forgot you were paying for and cancel them automatically. One click can save you $100 a month. That's not a hack. That's digital survival. Okay, you've stabilized the bleeding. Now you need cash flow. You can't wait weeks for an opportunity. You need work before your next bill hits. Here's where we fight robots with robots. Most companies now use applicant tracking systems. AI filters that scan resumes before a human ever reads them. If your resume doesn't include the right keywords, it's dead on arrival. So we'll use AI to beat the system. Go to Teal, KickResume, or résumé.io. Upload your resume and paste the job description you want. In seconds, the AI highlights every missing keyword and rewrites your lines to match. Managed a team becomes directed a cross-functional team of 8 to achieve project milestones. It speaks fluent algorithm, and suddenly, so do you. Then open your chatbot again and type, act as a professional career coach. Here's my resume and a job description for insert job. Write a 3-paragraph cover letter that highlights my best skills and immediate availability done. You've got a personalized cover letter faster than someone can spell LinkedIn. But the real magic is speed. AI lets you apply to 10 jobs before most people finish one application. And speed is survival. Still, job hunting alone won't make you safe. The real security comes from pivoting your skills. Think of AI as your personal career counselor on steroids. Ask it, based on my experience as a job title, list 5 in-demand freelance skills I can learn and start selling in the next 30 days. For each, recommend a platform and a learning resource. In less than a minute, you'll have a customized roadmap. Maybe it says SEO, social media marketing, virtual assistants, data annotation, or even faceless YouTube content. Here's the crazy part. You can ask AI to teach you those skills. Prompt it with, act as a professional tutor. Teach me the basics of skill step by step, and give me a 30-day practice schedule. You just replaced a 4-year degree with a 30-day crash course. And when you're ready to sell your new skill, ask, show me 5 platforms where freelancers can offer skill today, ranked by ease of entry. It will list sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or niche platforms you've never heard of. Every one of them is a potential lifeline. AI turns you from jobless to marketable faster than any career counselor on earth. Now, let's talk about something nobody teaches: negotiation. When bills start suffocating you, the hardest part is making those phone calls. The landlord, the credit card company, the utility provider. You panic, you stumble, you forget the right words. So don't. Let AI write them for you. Prompt example: write a polite but firm email to my landlord explaining that I'm facing a temporary financial crisis. Request a short-term payment plan and a waiver of late fees. Keep it empathetic but professional. Then copy. Paste send. You will sound calm, confident, and reasonable, even if your hands are shaking. You can use similar prompts for banks, credit card companies, or service providers. Most of them have hardship programs they never advertise. AI gives you the language to ask for them. And when you need real-world help, food banks, aid programs, community grants, AI can find them faster than any search engine. List local organizations in your city-state offering financial or food assistance to residents facing income loss. Boom, your phone becomes a rescue radar. But here's the deeper truth. AI isn't just a survival tool. It's a mirror of your resourcefulness. When everything collapses, most people freeze. They focus on what they can't control. But you're learning to automate the chaos, to replace fear with systems. That's what evolution looks like. Because this isn't just about surviving one crisis. It's about building a mindset that makes you crisis-proof. Start using AI not just to save money, but to build money habits that protect you forever. Use it to track every dollar automatically, set goals and get reminders that adapt to your income, learn investment basics safely before you ever risk a cent. Compare savings accounts, credit cards, or loans objectively. No salesman bias, just data. The more you use AI, the clearer your blind spots become. You start seeing where emotion used to make your financial decisions, and you replace that emotion with clarity. Let's rewind to that first scene. The panic, the empty account, the fear. Now imagine opening that same banking app a few months from now. But this time there's a buffer. You've got side income, emergency savings, automated tracking, and a skill set that nobody can take away. You didn't just survive, you evolved. AI didn't magically give you money, it gave you control. And control is the foundation of freedom. You're not powerless in the next crisis, you're prepared. Because when the world shakes, the people who understand technology don't just endure it, they ride it. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these AI tools tonight. Budget, job hunt, skill up, or negotiate. Take one real action. In the comments below, I want you to share the most creative or effective way you've ever made or saved money during a crisis. Your idea might be the one that saves someone else. Let's build a community of people who turn panic into power. If even one of these ideas helps you, hit that like button so YouTube pushes it to someone who needs it. And if you want more ways to use AI to strengthen your life, mentally, financially, creatively, subscribe to Evolvory. Because the next time chaos hits, you won't be asking, "What do I do?" You'll be saying, "Watch me handle this." You've got this, and now you've got AI on your side. Be sure to keep watching for more great videos.